Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ade Amalia, who will present a topic related to the role of parents in teaching English to children. The purpose of this presentation is to share learning methods that parents can use to provide English language learning to children. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone must be familiar with English, especially in an era that is increasingly developing which has impact on today's globalization. English is an international language that is used to communicate around the world. Reporting from the Encyclopedia Britannica 2015, English originating from the UK is the dominant language in some countries in the world. English language skills have become an ability that parents really hope to provide their children with. Therefore, as we can see now, parents are competing to put their children in English courses so that their children can speak English fluently. Today, I'm here to inform you about how to effectively and easily teach or equip English to children. First, I will describe a little about teaching English to children from an early age. Secondly, I will tell you some effective ways that parents can apply at home. And finally, we will share later the effects that will be felt by children and parents when applying this method. Ladies and gentlemen, parents have an important role in children's education. Even parents become the first education for children. So, if parents are more responsive in building children's abilities from an early age, it will make it easier for children and the parents themselves. This also includes teaching or depriving English language skills to children. Many parents start teaching English to their children from an early age. According to research, the ideal age to learn English is under 10 years old. Early learning can help children become more familiar with English but do not forget their native language. Besides that, teaching parents to children will provide quality time between children and parents. The importance of English education today and in the future is the main reason why do parents really expect to their children to have English skills. It should be not that if parents want their children to be able to speak English, it is appropriate that parents, especially mothers who are the close figures to their children, must be able to master it. At least only simple praise used in daily activities. Ladies and gentlemen, there are some ways or methods that parents can do in provide English language learning to children. The first one is routine in speaking English at home. By getting used to speaking English at home in some time will make children accustomed and adapt to the language, mixed with the original language so as not to make the child too confused. Second is make English a fun activity. Children tend to be bored and find it difficult to accept material. Therefore, parents must be smart to deal with this into activities that children like. We can use such as songs, videos, stories, and games that can attract children's attention. The next step is not to get hung up on grammar. To teach English to children, parents need to forget about grammar problems for a moment. Make them familiar with English vocabulary first. If they make mistakes, parents do not need to continue to correct them. It aims to familiarize children so that they're there to express themselves and do not lose interest in learning English. The last ways is use topics according to the child preferences. To make it easier for children to remember English vocabulary, parents can adjust it to their child's favorite topics. Identify children's interests. Parents need to explore further about their children's preferences in order to find out what activities they like to motivate their interest in learning. Ladies and gentlemen, by applying some of these methods, children will be familiar with English and will try to practice as the best they can. Because children tend to really want to try new things, especially if they find it very fun. That way, parents will not spend too much money just for children's courses, because indirectly it is parents who have of the provided the course for free. So they just need to increase their abilities through independent learning and more complex learning in school. So today we share and learn about the lessons that can be given to children. As we all know, the faster times develop, the more difficult the challenge will be. Therefore, as a parent, you will certainly give the best for your child, especially with regard to the features. To the future. Thank you for your attention to this topic. Hopefully, it can be useful and can build a new generation that is superior. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.